CJ Affiliate is an affiliate marketing platform that connects advertisers and publishers, facilitating the promotion of products or services for commissions. Here's a guide on how to use CJ Affiliate. Create an account. Sign up on the CJ Affiliate website as either an advertiser looking to promote products or a publisher seeking to earn commissions by promoting advertisers' products. Search for advertisers. Once logged in, browse through a vast network of advertisers. Choose those whose products or services align with your content or audience. Apply to programs. Apply to join specific advertiser programs by submitting applications. Advertisers review applications and approve or decline based on their criteria. Get affiliate links. After approval, access unique affiliate links and creative assets provided by advertisers. These links track clicks, sales, or leads generated through your promotional efforts. Promote products. Integrate affiliate links into your website, blog, or social media channels. Create compelling content to drive traffic and encourage conversions. Track performance. Use CJ Affiliate's reporting tools to monitor performance metrics such as clicks, impressions, conversions, and commissions earned. Optimize strategies. Analyze performance data to refine your promotional strategies. Optimize content, placement, and marketing channels to maximize earnings. Receive payments. CJ Affiliate consolidates earnings from various advertisers. Once you reach the payment threshold, receive commissions through direct deposit or other payment options.